Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I'm going to introduce this 7-inch IPS touchscreen special for Hyundai i30 2011 to 2017 years. This special Android unit runs Android 9 Pie system. Okay. This unit comes with DVD player. It has DVD slot and the volume button, this knob button, and home button, back mute, microphone, and the IR, this USB, front mini USB, and 2 SD card slots. Okay, let me show it. You can choose the time, you can choose logo, you can check setting. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay. You can change the SIM color. Any color you can adjust this panel. You can choose a blue, red, yellow, orange. Let me choose blue. Okay. And you can change the Hyundai logo. Okay, it's changed the Hyundai logo. All apps are here. You can check its built-in amplifier and easy connection. Google Maps. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, it's built-in YouTube voice control. Okay, let me show the settings at first. It's built-in Wi-Fi. System, you can check MCU variant, CPU optical, memory size 4GB, model is PX5 rack chip, optical Android 9 Pie system. Okay, you can check the storage. This sound. You can check total 64 GB. Okay, firstly let me introduce Bluetooth. You can long press this, choose the app, choose Bluetooth. Okay, it's Bluetooth. When you click his phone, it will show the Bluetooth, its device name and the PIN number. Let me open Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, you can check this Bluetooth from your phone. Turn off and turn on. You search the device. Galaxy S8 Plus connecting, show connecting. The first time need to repair again. Okay, your phone will get command. Please put the 40 1234. Click OK. Okay, it's connected to show Bluetooth echo. You can make phone call. Okay, it works, and you can stream music from your phone. Volume control. Mute on, mute off. Okay, this is stream music from your phone. To USB cable, this USB driver. Play music from a USB driver. DSP amplifier. Okay, let me choose Google Map. Okay, it's running Google Map and music at the same time. Mute. Okay, let me show the video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Settings, find the car settings. Driver setting, turn on the watch video. Play video from USB. This is Samsung 4K demo video. 4K demo video around the world. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact us.